Mirpur in Pakistan-controlled Kashmir, an area where as many as 9 out of 10 people have a British passport or relatives in the UK. An area where militant Islamic fundamentalism is widespread. Pakistan's security services have identified more than 20 Britons, all now back in the UK, who've either lived or trained with extremist groups linked to the Taliban and Al-Qaeda, and who present a potential danger to this country. So far, the Pakistani authorities have not passed the details on to their counterparts here in the UK. Somewhere on the streets of Britain, these young men are at large, each one at the very least a potential terrorist sympathiser.
Not got too long to go now, and I'm gonna really miss you.
They wouldn't be the first. This is Mohammed Sadiq Khan from West Yorkshire, speaking to his young child before becoming a suicide bomber, taking part in the 7/7 attacks on London, which killed 52 people. He too had links to the extremists in Pakistan, which is why the United States is taking an increasing interest in Britain's Pakistani communities.